Melissa Gold, known as Songbird, is one of Marvel's most compelling yet overlooked heroines, her journey marked by pain, betrayal, and fierce redemption. Raised in an abusive household, Melissa escaped a life of torment only to fall into crime, joining the Grapplers as Screaming Mimi. Her sonic scream could shatter steel and incapacitate foes, making her a formidable villain. Recruited by Baron Zemo into the Thunderbolts, a team of villains disguised as heroes, Melissa's life took an unexpected turn. As Songbird, her powers evolved, enabling her to craft solid sound constructs and unleash powerful sonic blasts. Struggling with her past, she found hope and purpose in heroism, ultimately betraying Zemo to protect innocents. This path was stained with loss. Friends turned enemies, brutal battles, and personal sacrifice. Yet, through blood and sorrow, Songbird's resilience transformed her into a true hero. Her haunting melodies now echo across the Marvel Universe, a testament to the strength found in redemption and the power of second chances.